Hello guys, how to fix if Messenger app microphone not working on your iPhone? If microphone not supported your iPhone Messenger app, here are the fixes. Tap on settings and go to look for Messenger. Tap on Messenger app and here look for microphone option. If microphone option not showing here, then simply go to your Messenger app and make a call to your anyone, voice call or video call. Make a call and allow microphone access in device settings, open settings and allow microphone here. Now you can see microphone is visible here and make sure that this is enabled. The next one is again tap on settings, scroll down and again go to Messenger app, settings, tap on Messenger and make sure that microphone is duly enabled. The next one is go to Apple iPhone App Store and here tap on your profile icon from the top right corner, and if Messenger app update available, then simply update it. You can also choose update all to update all your installed apps on your iPhone and check whether your Messenger app microphone